In this video, I want to show you guys how to prevent auto clip selecting on the color page. On this timeline, I've got some clips on V1, 2, and 3. So I have this intro shot, this secondary layer, and this graphic card that tells us what the video is about. If I navigate over to the color page and I use my up and down arrows, you can see it keeps navigating to each clip individually. Let's say I just want to work on V1. You can actually disable it right here by clicking on the video tracks. And as you can see, it disappears from our clip view. And if I go with the up and down arrows, you can see it's now ignoring those clips and not selecting them anymore. However, now we can't see the clips. If we want to see them, we can have them on, but hit Option, and they'll turn red. And our clip list changes accordingly. So if I click off V2 and V3, it removes them from the clips, but I can still see this is the second shot that overlays, and our graphic is still working. Now, if we go back to the edit page, everything looks normal. You can see your graphics and your layers. And I actually went to make a change on this title card and I hit Shift 5. If we look over here, it jumps back to that first clip. So I figured out you have to go back and you can't have this on red. So Option click, and now that makes them available. Our second clip is now available as the graphics card for editing. Took me a minute to figure that out. Ask me how I know. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.